Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video you are going to look at Interlink, how to connect our wallet. We are going to use Trust Wallet or any of the Web3 wallet of your choice, but for the sake of this video I'm going to use Trust Wallet. And if you have not started mining Interlink, locate the link in the video description. Start immediately. And currently they are doing a campaign or a promo. 4 million, they are celebrating their 4 million users. So for that effect, you are going to be rewarded with a lot of USDT if you are qualified. So make sure you start and also use my referral code to get one spin for free. So we are going to go to the your profile here. You're going to locate the profile. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification for more updates. So we are going to click on this our profile. Once you tap on your profile, you must make sure that you have already verified. That is, the verification requires only your face scan. And once you verify, it's going to show I am human, verified by face. You must verify yourself. So after that, the next thing to do, which is the main purpose of this video, is the account. You click on the account. You need to connect your wallet. So over here you will see your email, your ID, and you can see here wallet not link. So you need to link your wallet, because if eventually during this 4 million celebration event and you're able to win the $50 or the $100 or the $5, they are going to send it directly to your wallet. So you must make sure you connect your wallet. So we are going to click on not linked yet. So once you tap on it, you are going to see different wallets. They have the Trust Wallet, they have the MetaMask, the OKS, the B Wallet. So I'm going to choose Trust Wallet. So continue in Trust Wallet. So it's going to redirect us. I'm going to open my Trust Wallet now. So the next thing you see is these are the different wallets I have. The network here is on Polygon. So you click on connecting. You are going to give it time connecting. At this stage, so many people are complaining that their wallet is not connecting. Now you saw when it said connecting. What we are going to do is to go back to your Interlink. Once you say connecting, after that connecting disappeared, go back to your internet. So I'm going to go back to my Interlink. Can you see? Continue in Trust Wallet. Look at what it's going to. It's going to redirect you back again for you to sign the signature. So this is how you are going to do it. You click on sign, put your passcode, open your wallet, connecting again. So once the connecting fee, see, it has disappeared again. So we are going back to our Interlink. So this is the method. Can you see? Wallet verified. Your wallet has been verified successfully. So it is not difficult. Once you allow it to connect finish, whether you saw anything or not, go back to your Interlink and it will bring another interface for you to sign in. So basically, this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. Connect your wallet and get ready. Coming back here, you can now see that my wallet is connected. This is my Trust Wallet under Polygon network. So this is it. Very, very simple. So coming back to the 4 million celebration event, you are going to spin. I have made a video yesterday. All you need is to spin to try your luck. You might be lucky, you win 100,000, $50, $20. So I'm going to spin. Let me see what I'm going to earn. I have one I, letter I. I'm going to spin again. So use my referral code so that you can receive one spin. I've gotten E. So I'm going to spin again. So basically, this is what you need to do for you to qualify or to try your luck. This is what you need to do. I have gotten N. So going to the inventory here, you can see that I have L, I have I have N 5 times, I have E. So if I'm able to complete INTERLINK Labs ITLLs, I'm going to win $1,000. If I'm able to complete the word INTERLINK Labs, I'm going to win. And okay, the first one is 10,000, the second one is 1,000, and if I'm able to complete the word Interlink, I'm going to win 50. If I'm able to complete Inter, I'm going to claim $5. If I'm able to complete Intel, I'm going to win 1 spin. So how I have T remaining for me to be able to claim this. So this is basically what you need to do. For those that will say they don't have spin to use, locate this plus sign here, watch videos, share their posts on S, and you will be able to receive this. So I'm also going to share my referral code so that you will start. So basically, I think this is what you need to know. This is what you need to know for now. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.